Hello. So,
Yeah,
okay. So, hi guys, my name is Dipesh Rana, and today we are recording a session, and which is basically a GD round group discussion. And let me, I would say, introduce myself. My name is Dipesh Rana, and I'm from SSR, and our main motto of this session is to talk about group discussions like what are happening, and so without and let me debrief you about Ajay, like quick glimpses about Ajay's point. Like Ajay is my classmate, and we are in second year MBA students and doing marketing. And so Ajay, it's a pleasure to have you. How are you?
yeah, I'm good. You?
I'm fine, absolutely. So
Okay.
before starting ahead, I want to show you some points or some slides to my viewers that what is all about. So let present you my presentation. So uh, so is the hello?
Yeah, your screen is visible. You go with the full screen.
Okay, now it's perfect.
Yeah. Good.
So
Continue.
it's a group discussion round for 2 minutes, and it's all about 2 minutes. But if you want to speak Ajay more, you can. But you have to do maximum. You have to speak for 2 minutes. Okay, you have
Okay.
to speak more than 2 minutes. You can if you want. So I would explain you the rules. What are the rules? The rules is of the topic is entrepreneur. First point. Second point is use English language. And third point, participant get an equal opportunity to speak. Fourth point is 2 minutes is the maximum time allocated. But if you want to speak more, you can. In the end, after all round up done, then your own learning to portray, like what are your viewpoints regarding your learning or towards the entrepreneurship. What are your thoughts? So you can share. Okay. So let's start.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
So
Once again, good afternoon, Dipesh. Today
good
I am
afternoon.
here to speak about entrepreneur. Okay.
Go for it.
What is entrepreneur? And a person who many by the started or running business, especially when this involve taking financial risk. By becoming entrepreneur, you get true freedom and empower, which are not available from regular job. That is why many people aspire to become entrepreneur. Entrepreneur is person that start a business with a new idea. Apart from earning its profit, it helps my pupil to take life. You made a business plan with a new idea. Some things have to be kept in mind to make it successful. Like my side is the 5 points is the entrepreneur the important points. First points, do you want make you very happy. Second point, hard work, not smart work. Smart work will give you a lot of business growth. Third point, take small step that help the business to grow. Taking a big decision can bring risk, while we move ahead of a small step. fourth point, creating is the perfect team. In the beginning, you do not need a team, but as a move forward, the team is needed. Last point is 5 point, constantly engage to your business so that you can achieve your vision. Start with your entrepreneur, start business, then run, then growth. Thank you so much. That's it.
It was a nice speech, and yeah, it wasn't some
Thank you. Thank you.
insights were like really giving me the goosebumps. Like it wasn't nice speech, seriously. So we start.
Okay.
So I will start with a proverb that everyone says that there is a risk in business, but entrepreneurs always sees rewards. It is said by a proverb by an author named Robert Kiyosaki, which is basically an American businessman and an author as well. And if we have been read many definitions that the entrepreneur is the person who owns the business and manages the business, which is called as an entrepreneur, which is an old definition. So entrepreneur is all about leadership. Okay, so leadership.
Yeah.
So leadership means that all the people together, like they take people together and work together so that they can grow and develop themselves. And the main part about entrepreneurs, they always have unlimited margin of income. I would say if the business is successful, they have unlimited margin of income, and they do not have to. If we compare the entrepreneurs with the common man have if we can say common man have a daily wage, we can say or as a monthly paychecks, monthly salary. But if we can see entrepreneur side of directions, we can see as a point of view of towards the entrepreneur is always I would say have unlimited margin of income, and he is the own boss, right? So own boss in the sense he made his own decisions and he act upon it, and he do not have to follow others, but the other employees are following him, so he has many followers. So yeah, entrepreneurs have they have decision makers. They are the decision makers in the business, and they portray a main role while leading people. And entrepreneur is, I would say, entrepreneurs always takes initiative, and initiative always have risk, right? Like if we all are entrepreneurs, if you can see in 10,000 BC, what was the employment rate? That was 0, right? But if we all are like entrepreneurs, like if you are going to a person and saying hi, you are an initiator, you have taken initiative, you have taken a risk, right? So you are going to the people and you are conveying, you are taking an initiative and saying hi. This was a risk, right? So we all are entrepreneurs. And the main thing I want to talk about entrepreneurship is competition, right? Competitions helps the entrepreneurs to be more creative, to set a benchmark. Like competitors helps the entrepreneur to develop new products in the market or services, while competitors are some entrepreneurs think that competitors is a plague. But competitors helps the entrepreneur to upgrade themselves more than the other, and which would help them to grow more towards the future perspective. And if we see about technology, I would to give you an example about a technology. In the year 1988, the example would be an Apple. Apple. I would say about an example of Apple that in 1988 there was an evolution from 1988 to from 2012. There was an evolution of technology. What happened was there was first came Mac, then iMac, then iTunes, then iPods, then iPhones. So this you can see from iMac, from Mac, to iMac, and from iTunes, then iPods, then iPhones. So this was an evolution starts from Mac till iPhone from 2012, and still we don't know like what are the inventions of what are the technologies will be creating by the Apples or some other companies as well. So innovations and technologies are, there is a saying in English that technology spreads like fire, right? So it is a very important thing
Yeah.
about technology that the innovations helps the entrepreneur to be more focused towards learning, and if we can see how entrepreneurs are working, like entrepreneurs are like going in local markets or in foreign market, they are searching for the opponent strategies and strategies, what are the strategies, opponent strategies or tactics what they are using, and they are changing the, I would say, the perspective and bringing the opportunity for themselves by having a competition. So it is a very useful thing about the entrepreneurs, that they are searching they are going in dynamics market, local market, they are cultivating an opportunity there, and which is very useful for them as well. But there are still many youths, many students who wanted to be an entrepreneur, like they are taking a lump sum amount of money and they start the business without having any knowledge or any expertise in or any experience they have, but they are directly starting the business, which is basically wrong. You should have I would say that the lack of knowledge, lack of expertise will collapse the businesses. Ajay, your mic is on, like.
Okay. You say very good speech.
Yeah. And then I will talk about government regulation, that entrepreneurs always have to follow government regulations. Why? Because it would I would say restrict from any illegal activities like terrorisms or I would say corruption or something, that it should be avoided. If the entrepreneurs are going from rules and regulations and following the government norms, it will help them as well to get in the legal terms and legal agreements. They will be well established in the legal agreements, and they will be at safer hand, and it helps the entrepreneurs to be creating a trust among the people. So about technology, I wanted to ask you about tell you about an example of Sophia. The Sophia is in Saudi Arabia's robot, not a robot, it is a robot. So Sophia was most searched on Google than Sophia Lawrence the actor. So Sophia the robot, which have 1,000 or I would say 500 facial expressions. So what Sophia the Sophia Lawrence have not more popularity than the Sophia robot. It is basically in southern I would say the southern Arabian Ajay. There is an there is an I need your mic because background noise is coming, like
background not
if you can just unmute your mic, it would be okay. Because okay, so what I was saying, that Sophia was an I would say a robot, a citizen which is basically a robot, but it has been called as an South Asia South Arabic citizen. It is a robot. It has more than 150 facial expressions. And which has basically more popular than Sophia the Lawrence the actor. So Sophia was the robot, which was basically from Saudi Arabia. Once there was an I would say conference, and the reporter asked the Sophia a question. The reporter asked the Sophia the question that why are you making 150 or thousands expressions while you are going to work? So the main point that the Sophia has explained, that she said that Sophia the robot, not Sophia the Lawrence, but the Sophia the robot has said that if I wanted to work I wanted to work with humans, I have to create trust. And so she was making facial expressions. Why? Because she wanted to create a trust between humans. Now we can see how technology is far more beyond our imaginations, right? Now the robots are teaching us humanity. it's a big, I would say, lesson towards the human. How robots are teaching humanity to humans. So yeah, it is a very insightful thought about this robot. And she said that if I wanted to create trust for the humans, I have to if I have to build trust for the humans. I have 150 expressions so that I can create trust and work with humans. So this was a great thing by what she said, the Sophia. And I would say about then I would say about entrepreneur, that entrepreneurs are the people who are generating employments, and they are flourishing the economy while helping help the economy as well by giving more contributions towards the nation. And there are like institutions and NGOs. The entrepreneurs always tries to tie up with the institutions and NGOs. Why? Because it helps them to access research and development. Then I would say capital funding, then infrastructure. So there are many more things why the entrepreneurs always takes or tie-ups with the institutions or NGOs, which will help them to expand their business, and they can also grow further. And the last point I would be concluding that cash flow management is very important in the organization. So entrepreneurs always not try to pay the checks of their employees or their invoice bills, but they are also helping in the, because cash flow is very important in business. It helps because it helps the business in expanding and to increase the potentials of the potential of the business as well. So these are the some I would say key points towards entrepreneur. So this was from my side. Like,
Okay,
what do
thank
you,
you. As a
Ajay?
very, yeah, very very nice speech is the you say entrepreneur, yeah, good experience, good story.
Yeah, same here too,
Okay,
bro. I just
yeah. What is the time? It's not follow. Yeah.
okay, acha, okay. Let's we wrap up. And what are your viewpoints, or what are your learnings from your
Okay.
entrepreneurial?
Okay. First, the my side learning point is the you shared the good learning. Your side is the is the follow the entrepreneur, start business, then run, then grow is the very good. Value your time by the putting at the price tag on it. Your time is the greater resource. One thing is cannot get back. Second learning, believe in yourself. Believe in yourself, institution and vision future. Yeah. Empower empire builders. Get out the wire. It help many people to make life. You made a business plan with a new idea. Something have keep mind think, make him successful. Is the pride your employee? Is the given your opportunity? Yeah. Thank you so much, my sir.
It was a nice. So let me share my learnings, what I have been learned. So it was been said that that entrepreneur always very beautiful quotation said by Helen Keller. Like we know Helen Keller was blind and she can't see, but her
Yeah.
quotation. So Helen Keller shared a very beautiful quotation that the most pathetic person in this world is the person who has eyesights but no vision. So my point is,
Yeah.
what Helen Keller would try to portray a message to us that if the entrepreneurs who are have no visions, then it is
Yeah, future.
yeah. So Helen Keller said that if the entrepreneurs have the no vision, then it will be a disaster for humanity. So entrepreneurs always have to see about the vision, because visions help us to visualize these things, and this
Okay.
visualizations helps us to get those things done near time permits, and it help us to be more I would say getting the things done by working upon it, so that we can fulfill our desires and our visions as well. So visions help us to be more specific about what are the things we need and what we can do much more than our capabilities. So this was from about my side. So yeah, Ajay.
Okay, you're good. Yeah, very good experience. Yeah, very good speech. Your sides.
Okay. So
yeah, continue.
So I am very glad that this session was, and I hope that my viewers are getting much more fruitful insights about this session. And I am thanks. I would say I would very honor. I would say to, or I would. I'm very honored to say that Ajay, you are being a part of this session. So thank you for being so kind, and it wasn't to have you. So let's see and let's hope we are back again with a session which about any education topics or any new or different types of session we will be creating, or let's see how it goes and hope for the best in the future as well, because we are also seeing the vision like what we are doing next and something. So yeah, let's hope for the best.
Yeah.
So once again.
Okay. Thank you so much. Thank you so much once again. Yeah, my side, you given an opportunity. Thank you very much.
Okay then, Ajay, thank you, and thank you my viewers. And yeah, Ajay and Ujjwal, I wanted to thank you. You have been helping and supportive, and you have shown a kind help to me that while this recording has been suited by your, you have been suggested one app to me, which was very helpful. So thank you, Ujjwal, for your. So thank you guys for listening to us. Take care. Bye bye.
Okay, take it. Bye bye. Thank you.